What's up guys, and welcome to the 56th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about hashtag if and hashtag endif. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is go right to the top and type in hashtag define, and we can say debug1. Move on to the next line and type in int main parentheses or curly braces. Move on to the next line and type in %if space debug, and move on to the next line and type in std cout debugging on a new line, and close that off. Move on to the next line and type in endif, and now we can say std cout running and new line, and then we can close this off. And hopefully when we execute this we should see debugging and running. I spelled running incorrectly, so I'll go back to this and type that incorrectly. Alright, we can now execute this, but before we execute this, let's just run through the program and see what's actually happening. So right at the top where it says hashtag define debug1, this is in fact defined as a global integer constant with a value of 1. If I run this, let's just see what happens. So we get debugging and running. If I change this now to 0, we should only see debugging, or we should only see running is what I wanted to say. So if I revert this back to 1, we should now see both of them. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.